In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own videos without having to do any filming or doing any creating on your part. And what you're going to do is just use other people's videos. So to do this, you would just go to youtube.com/editor. And this is where you would edit your own videos. So this is basically a free tool, but basically you could just choose the option here. If you look at the options here, it says CC, which stands for Creative Commons, and you have permission to use these videos, people's videos, that's, they're giving permission for you to use for your own use or commercial use. So what you could do here, you could do search. If you want to do a video about weight loss, you could just type that in here. Okay, and then let's just select the first one here, and you could just drag that down here. And you have the tools here to edit it. You can add text, and so basically, just play around with this and get the hang of it. And yeah, so this is only one way for you to make money with videos on YouTube. I do advise you to also create your own videos. There's lots of free tools out there. I use a paid tool called Camtasia, but if you just look around, there's lots of great free tools out there as well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find keywords for your video. So for this example, let's say we're doing a video, we're posting a video on YouTube, and we want it to be on weight loss, and we want to put in some keywords on there so that it'll rank well. So let's just type in weight loss here. I've already typed it in. The site that I'm on is called ubersuggest.org. So it's spelled ubersuggest.org. And so you just type in weight loss, click suggest, and as you can see, there's 280 suggestions found. And let's just click on some of them here. So let's say there's let's see here, weight loss blogs. Let's just say you want to choose that one. Weight loss diet. Okay, and once you've selected all the keywords you want, you would just go to here and click on get, and there, so it's ready for you to just copy and paste, and all the work's been done for you. There are several ways to monetize your videos, and in this video I'm just going to go over two of the most popular ways to monetize your YouTube videos. The first way is to have AdSense ads on your videos. So if you want to have AdSense on your videos, you would just go to your YouTube account and you just join the YouTube partner program, which you can see here, and then you would just sign up for that. The other way to monetize your videos is by placing affiliate links in the description below the video. So if you want to do that, you would place an affiliate link. That should be the first thing that you would put in your description, is your affiliate link. And what type of things can you promote? Well, you can promote things through ClickBank, Amazon, and also CPA offers. So basically, do your research on which affiliate programs you want to promote, products or affiliate products that are related to your video, and then just go from there.